What's up, guys? How's it going, YouTube and Rd1 fans and Honda lovers, or someone that's just bored looking for a video to see? Alright, so what I'm doing this evening actually is the past like 2 weeks I've been restoring Nerf bars. I came with actually a problem with one Nerf bar. Person I bought them from fucked me over a little bit, because this one right here, these were bent and I didn't see it. Like, looking now, I can see, like, wow, they're really messed up, as you can see right there. But you know, it's my fault getting too excited and not overlooking things. But then an immoral bastard, you know, did that. But it's whatever, it's how it is. But that's this one. It's not restored yet. It looks nice still, but I mean, it's not restored yet. This one has been restored. Let me turn this light on. I polished the bar. I repainted this. It looks freaking sick. I just need to buy some some paint to repaint this silver part right here on the CRV. I repainted the corner parts of the Nerf bar. There's the other one. And while I was at it, I also replaced these clips. Can't really see, but they're slightly deteriorated. So what I did is I bought 14 brand new ones. Don't worry about the number. If you want, you can pause it and order them for yourself for your Nerf bars, but I'm going to put the part number in the description down below. So if you want to order these, then do it. Yeah, I just did it just to keep it nice and fresh, so none of these garnishes or whatever fall off of the Nerf bar, because these are pretty much next to impossible to find. So I wanted to make sure that these were going to stay in place, and that these new clips are going to keep themselves settled, particularly at the status of how they were originally, without any like sort of deterioration. So that's why I bought the new ones and replaced these old ones. And I actually already cut the side part of my of the panel underneath, where the bars kind of like bolt up. I will put a video down in the description down below how to do that. And I actually didn't even remove my side skirt. What I did is I just I removed the clips that unscrew and just pull out easily, and then from there I went underneath and I pulled the side skirt down, and then you can find the mounting points of exactly where the Nerf bars go. And what I did is I just cut around the screw, bolted up one of my Nerf bars to that first hole, then I got a razor blade and lined up exactly where these were at. So pretty much got the razor blade and lined it up around it. And then what I did is I just used some scissors that are meant to cut metal to cut that part of the side skirt. And honestly, I think I did a really good job. I'll show you guys underneath in a bit once this is fully bolted in. So what I'm going to finish doing right now is installing the new clips and installing the center garnish. So once everything's all put in back together, I will show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, fully installed. As you can see, looking fantastic on the Rd1. Let me show you what I was talking about earlier. Let me get underneath so you can see how I cut it out. I did this the week I was sick, but as you can see right there, I just like I said, use the razor blade and cut alongside. All Honda CRVs have those bolt holes there. They're ready to go for you to install Nerf bars. You just have to you just gotta cut the part of the side skirt, or if you're so inclined to do so, what you can do actually is you can remove the side skirt, and then there are indentations on the side skirt exactly where you have to cut, and then there's a line that's horizontal to the vertical lines of where the indent is at, and that's where you stop. But I did it like this. It was easy to do. So it's whatever's best. I just didn't know how to remove the side skirt until I seen that you have to like push the side skirt to the left, something like that. I don't know honestly, so don't do it. That's why I did it this way, because I don't want to break anything, and especially these clips being 20 years old, you know, they're bound to break, and I don't want to spend like $4 a clip when there are like, I don't know, maybe like 8 clips. So yeah, because yeah. So I'm going to start restoring this side piece of the side skirt. I just wanted to show you guys how to do this, and then at the end of this video you're going to see both side skirts on the car. So it's probably going to take me like a week or two to restore this other side skirt. I'm sorry, Nerf bar, and only because I have to bend back the brackets, and maybe I'll have to weld one piece if it breaks back, and I don't know how to weld, but my dad's a professional welder, so he's going to do that for me if that does happen. So alright you guys, I'm going to finish this up and show you guys in, I don't know, like a week or two, who knows. So I'm going to complete excuse me, play music. I'm going to complete putting on the side Nerf bar. Just wanted to show you guys what I used to polish the Nerf bar, because they're pretty bad. I use this right here. It's a Scotch-Brite, it's the red pad. So I use that pad, and then I use some WD-40. It's what some young cat did on YouTube, and I did the same thing. But this is how the how the Nerf bar turned out. I don't know if I showed it in the video, because it's been actually like a month since I was recording. But it was pretty ugly looking, but it's nice and polished. At least this one is. The other one is as well still. But I really polished it. It had a nasty dent right here, and it was like a form of like surface rust or oxidation, because this is aluminum, I guess. But yeah, I'm going to mount it on the car right now. What I'm going to do is actually I'm going to put these on. I spray painted them. I just put this blue tape on them. So yeah, I'm just going to remove all this off, and it should look good. Now you see it's nice and silver underneath. So yeah, I'm just going to remove all that and show you guys how it looks once it's mounted on there. 20 minutes later, I completed adding the plastic bits to the Nerf bar. Let me just show you guys how it looks. So this is it right here. I did a crappy paint job. You see like little marks on there and or whatever. I really don't care. This one's damaged anyway, and eventually I'm just trying to flip it, sell it. It's a little damaged. I'm gonna be an a-hole, but I'm gonna let the person know, like, yo, you know, it's like bent right here. You can bend it back. But I don't know, I like my things to be pristine. Like these little marks, they really bother me. So yeah, this is how everything looks. But I mean, it's nice and dark. It was like super dull. So now it looks like this one over here. You can see how the CRV really pops with the black. And just for reference, you guys, if you guys ever want to like paint your trim on your old Honda, this right here is the appropriate black trim. It's called SEM 39143. As long as you prep it correctly, it's gonna look great. You know, I did it right here. Well, I did it like right here. I didn't prep it right, but I mean, it was dark. It's darker now. Put it on my I actually prepped my windshield wipers, so they're still really good. They're dark. But yeah, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to install this Nerf bar. If it appropriately attaches to the bolt holes, because this shit right here is really fucked in terms of like how it's misshapen. But I'm going to fucking work with it. So I'll see you guys after all the shit I do. I just finished. It took me like 40 minutes because you know, the brackets were at a very odd angle because they were bent and all fucked up. But I got it on. I had to really struggle with this one. I may have stripped one of the holes in there, but whatever. I'm not planning on taking this off probably, since I've kind of fucked that up. You know, this is just my daily. It's my dad car. You know, nothing special. It looks good though, and like I said, the link down below, I'm going to post the link of the dude that put like how he properly made the holes, like an easier way instead of removing, you you know, these side skirts. I didn't remove my side skirts, and it was really easy. I just followed what the dude did. But this is how it looks like all completed, both sides. Looks really good. I'm really happy. I have to clean the other one up because it's really dusty, but that's it. Well, you guys, you know, just let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll post a link down below for the YouTube video of that one guy, how he made the holes in order to mount these up. And I'll put the type of paint, the trim paint that I use. Like I said, this is what everyone uses. This is the OEM spec black for our cars. So I'll put that in the link down below as well. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, ask questions. Yeah, next video, I'm gonna open up that package right there. So, yeah. Ugh.